Hey everybody, it's Kyla at the MJC again, and I'm here with just a quick video on the insurance section of the financial disclosure statement. But before I get going, as always, just a reminder that nothing in this video is intended to be legal advice. It's a video, so obviously I'm not able to analyze your specific situation, to tell you what you should be asking for, whether what you're asking for is in your best interests, what a court is likely to approve in your situation. So if you have those sorts of questions, we definitely recommend that you get some legal advice. You can get brief legal advice for free here in Milwaukee County through the Marquette Volunteer Legal Clinics. If you're not located in Milwaukee County, you can contact your clerk of court to find out what resources are available in your area. All right, so let's hop into this section here. So this section is exactly what it sounds like. It's where you're going to put any insurance that you have. Health insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, car insurance, if you have disability insurance or, accidental injury insurance or whatever insurances you might have, those are going to go here. And I should note, you'll include your insurance even if it is through the state. So if you get Badger Care or Forward Health, you'll put that here. So I might put, Badger Care. Who is currently covered by that policy or who owns the policy. So A, again, petitioner is A, or if you filed as joint petitioners, whoever's name went first on that joint petitioner A line. B is where you'll put the respondent, or if you filed as joint petitioners, joint petitioner B, and together is if both of you are on that. So here we'll say just Jane is on that one. The type of insurance, health insurance. And here the date issued. If you know the exact date it was just issued, the month, day, and year, that's fantastic. And you can just enter it like this, like that. If you don't know the exact date, but you know the month and year, that's great too. So you could enter month and year like that. Worst case scenario, if you aren't sure, take your best guess at the year. So if it's been a long time, maybe Jane just knows it was 1999 but doesn't remember the details. You want to be as specific as you can on the date and at least put a best estimate of the year that it was issued if you can't come up with the exact date or the month and day. And you'll go through and you'll do this for all of the ones you may have. So if Jane also has some auto insurance, some car insurance, the date issued there, 2018, I don't know. Again, ideally with date issued when you first started it or the most recent time you renewed it. Either way, whichever is easier for you. If you are completing this as joint petitioner, so you're planning to go forward jointly, or stipulated, which again would mean you started separately but you're wanting to go forward jointly, you'll make sure that you'll list both people's things here. So we might have State Farm and have that be our respondent, John Doe's car insurance. Like that there. And you will, we'll change the date just so it doesn't have that weird spacing on it. Here, all of that sort of stuff, we would include John Doe's medical insurance if they have, if they also had maybe homeowners together. It would be like that. And again, your best estimate of the year, or again, if you know the exact date, great. If you just know the month, and that should be September. And then you can also, in this section, like say it includes multiple things. Maybe it's homeowners and auto are on the same policy. Do that. Speaking of policies, over here you'll see it does ask for the policy and group number. Again, we find here in Milwaukee that many of our courts are fairly lenient if you don't have that information. So at the Milwaukee Justice Center, we aren't pushing really hard to get that. However, it's always good to get that information and have it available if you can. So if you have those numbers available, there certainly would be no harm in, putting it in. 6, 5, whatever that may be. like that if it's available. All right, well, that is it for this section. Thank you guys for watching as always. I hope that this was helpful. If you need additional information, we're always available to help at the Milwaukee Justice Center located in room G9 of the Milwaukee County Courthouse. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you all go out and you represent yourselves well.